So can you imitate Uncle Michael?
Michael! Michael!
What does he do?
Michael!
Was he whining?
Yeah. Wow!
Wow! What do you call that? What do you call that? Whining?
Whining!
Is that Uncle Michael?
Yeah.
Can you say his name?
Michael.
Uncle Michael. He's in China. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello, Uncle Michael.
Hello.
Cuddle? You want to cuddle Uncle Michael? Yeah. What does he do? He's whining?
Whining.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh, cuddle Uncle Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really sweet. Bye. Say bye, Uncle Michael.
Ow!
You're gonna whine instead? In his honor?
Whining.
Oh.
Ah!
Bye. Bye, Uncle Michael.